everyone. I'm Kamar from in45.com, and this video is about Amazon Honeycode, which is the recent announcement by Amazon. Uh, it's a new service by which you can develop a mobile app or the web applications without actually writing a code. So this is the website called honeycode.aws. If you come to this, you will see what it is all about. Like you can simply feed the data with the Excel sheet kind of database, and then you can create the UI builder using the builder drag and drop kind of builder. And then once you create the logic, what happens one certain button is clicked or certain checkbox is clicked, and then once it is logic is defined, you can simply uh, publish the app and share it with the team. This is how it is, how simple it is. The logics are also kind of drag and drop, or simply choose it kind of flow chart, and then it is done. It is as simple as that. It is very helpful for those who are not from the programming background. Yeah, so if you go to the portal, there are templates, there are inbuilt templates which you can use, and there are you can start from scratch as well. Also, n number of templates. You can see there are budget approval, content tracker, event management, demo schedule, simple to do, and there are many. You can use those directly, or you can simply create from scratch. As go to the pricing part, you will see there are three part: basic, plus, and pro. The basic one is for you can simply go ahead and check the details. It is free in the basic part, and then in the pro version there are some features which is uh, chargeable, and after that there are other which is there you can use. This is the community page where you can put your question, and if you know some answer, you can answer to the question which people have put already. This is this part wherein the portal where you can log in. I have already created my login. The AWS credential will not work here, so you can simply put the password, create the password like any other application that you create for, and you will logged into the application. They do have mobile app for iOS and Play Store as well. Once you create the app, you can manage uh, there as well, from there as well. So this is the dashboard, which is quite simple and easy. It looks in the left hand side, you will see there are, in the bottom part there are teams, there are profile, this is the team where you can add up to 20 people into the one team, and you can create into under the one workbook, and you can create n number of workbook as you want. So like you see, I do not have any workbook or apps yet. I can create the workbook here, and in which I can define what app I want to create. So if I go here, there are import as CSV file I can do. I can start from scratch, or I can use the template which are already there. So there are n number of templates over there, and now you can simply choose one, and I'm going to choose simple to do, and then we'll explore how this is being done. Okay, so these are the database, basically Excel sheet kind of database, where you simply put the data as an Excel sheet and create the relation between you simply as you create for the Excel sheet data. It is as easy as it is looks, but it is not basically an Excel sheet. It is a database. There is a relationship that is there to be established between tables, between the values. And for this one, there are these 5 tables are there. If you look at the left hand side, the first part is the table, the second part is the builder, where there you can design your app by using some kind of UI. Like here it's already written my task, and I can simply change it to something else like on a task or in 45 task or something like that, whatever you like. So yeah, this is all about the UI, the name, then how you want this to happen. This is already the built-in template, so it is already designed. You can create your own from scratch from the tools that is there, and you can also behind design what happens to a certain task that you do. Like when you check a checkbox, what happens when you click on the button, what happens. All those things can be defined here in the right hand side segment properties, right? And yeah, uh, it's a simple to do, so there is nothing much complication, but you can create as complicated as you want. uh, yeah, so this is all part where the editing part is there, all tasks are there, and if you want to add the other features. So this is the module of the part. I'm checking only the mobile view. If you look at the next to the mobile, there is a web view. You can click on that and the display will be different as it should be looking in the web. Yeah, so far it looks quite simple and easy to implement. No much design. You cannot insert much images or anything like that. The third feature is the automating feature, where you can uh, put what you want to do. Like, who do you want to assign some task? Like, there are team member. If you want to assign some task, and if you want him to remind, if you want to remind him to get the task done, you can put the reminder. You can select the task, what needs to be done, and this is how it should. It's completely open. It's up to you how you want your logic to flow, and that's how it should work. uh, yeah. If you click on add action, you will see many options that needs to be complete. So if you click on the publish on the top right corner, it will take few minutes and publish the app for you. And you can simply click on share button to share it with the team or outside or wherever you want. And once it is published, you it can be accessible by anyone. And then you can the accessibility, of course, you can define who should access and who should not. And then once it is accessible to others, uh, they can do whatever. I mean, it's quite easy and simple way to uh, automate. Now look, this app is already developed. You can see on the top in 45 tasks that I changed the name. It says also all tasks, and it also give me option to add task. So the one whatever task I click, it already goes into the completed field. And if I click on add task, I can create the another task as well. And I can, if I want, I can assign to someone else, or I can put the reminder when this task need to be reminded of. Like, for example, I'm creating learn to dance, and it is assigned to me. I can select the any team member, whoever is there within the team, and I can assign this task to that person. I can put the due date, and I can also put when this person needs to be reminded for the task to be completed. There are features like 7 days, 1 days, or whatever. And once I click on add, the task is already there. Yeah, learn to dance. And if I click on learn to dance as a check on the checkbox, it will simply be transferred to the completed task. So this is the quick and easy demo to show how easy Honeycode is. You should also go ahead and check and explore if this is something that you can use or utilize the free version, or even if needed the pro version or the other version that you feel like you should go. I already have written about this on my article, which is on published on awinfortified.com. If you want to read about it in detail, you can go ahead and read. Thanks for watching. Stay connected. I'm going to put more of such videos. Thank you.